Solve the inequality. Give your answer in interval notation. 25x squared minus 9x is less than 0. So first we want to find the critical points of this inequality, and we can notice that the left side has a common factor of x. So we'll factor that out and be left with x times 25x minus 9 is less than 0. So now we're going to actually say that this is equal to 0 in order to find the critical points. So either x equals 0 or 25x minus 9 equals 0, which would mean 25x equals 9 and x equals 9 over 25. So now that we have these points, we can make our little box chart, and we have from negative infinity to 0. We have from 0 to 9/25, and then we have from 9/25 to positive infinity. And we have just x, and we have 25x minus 9, and we have our result. So we're going to just try to determine if things are going to be positive or negative within each of these intervals. So obviously for this first box, between negative infinity and 0, x is negative. Here it's positive, and here it's positive. If we plug in a negative number for x, we get negative. If we plug in a small positive number between 0 and 9/25, we'll get a negative. And if we plug in a number bigger than 9/25, we'll get a positive. So when we multiply these down, negative times negative is positive, positive times negative is negative, and positive times positive is positive. So this is the only place that we get a number that's less than 0, which is what we were looking for since we wanted it to be less than 0. So our answer in interval notation will be from 0 to 9/25.